Hello. As I said that we will look at how to use histories when trading, how to apply to check history, trade history, whatever that happened in the market and previously. Then you check the current state of the market and you make a decision based on the history of the market. So today we are on Thursday. Thursday. This is the last week of Feb. So the last week of Feb. That is 2023. Now I want to check what happened last week. Thursday. Okay, last week Thursday was on. Last week Thursday. Last week Thursday was on -7. That is around the around date. Wow. Date 16th, 15th. Now we will be checking a range. Now we are taking 23rd to 20th. Then we check on from 16th to 13th of last week. Okay, we see whatever that was happening on Wednesday. Don't go to history of last year. Last year market has changed. So many people go to check whatever that happened last year. They want it to happen today. No. Feb of last year and Feb of today, it's very different. Just to check whatever that happened last week and see whether there is something. So last week around Wednesday, around Thursday of last week, there is a date around there is a date 16th. Okay, date 16th. So first let me change this. So I right click, I go to properties, then colors, the bar down I put red, everything down I'm putting red. Bull is green, this is going up. Bearish is down, I'm putting red. Then I remove show the let me leave the grid because of the no, let me remove it, but show ask line. Then I put okay. You can see that the market looks better now. The chart, it's better. So I'm checking whatever that happened last week. So I'm checking last week. That is date, we have said Feb date 13. Date 13 is here. Yeah, around time around 4 p.m. This is 18, so 4 p.m. is there. So I can use this one. Yeah, this is 13 to no, I want to put it 14, 13 around yeah, somewhere there. So market was here. So this is whatever that was happening in on 13th. You see this, let me use the real objects. Let me not use this editor, because the real object moves. That is the good thing with it. So we go to insert, we go to shapes, then let me pick this, then I can can expand it a little. We say that is what we are checking on. Now we come we expand to look at what is happening now. Okay, this is what now market. After this, market was dropping. Okay, now you see market went up how many pips? Market went up around 60, around 70. Let me say 70 pips. So market here went up around 70 pips, then it went down and it broke the low that was there. Okay, it broke the low, continued going up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now it is here. This is what we have looked at. You see, we are here. So we are expecting this market to go down the way it went, and maybe probably to break this by tomorrow. By tomorrow, that market should might break that the way it broke here. Now that is what is history. You see, the market today behaved the same, but today pips seems to be few. Let me see the pips that the market moved to form this. It was today it went up as opposed to 70 pips. It went up for around 37 pips. So if you wake up in the morning and you checked this, what has happened? This is 13th. If you check, this is 13th. Okay, this is 16th. I'm using 13th instead of 16th. It's okay. 13th, 16th was where? Good, very good. 16 is again here. Check what happened 16th around 5 p.m. a time like now. You see, the same thing that happened here is the same thing that has happened here. Let me check these how many pips here. So we use the crossbar, we measure the pips, how many pips the market has moved. So this is around 61 pips. So that day it moved 61 pips, as opposed to our movement today is around 41 pips, and market is going down. The same case here, market went down and it broke this low. Okay, so we are expecting the market to still behave the same. Now that is how you check the history. So check the history of last week, take like 3 days or 2. Check the behavior of the market during those days, maybe Monday and Tuesday, or Thursday and Friday. Group, check whether the market is behaving the same. If it is behaving the same, means that there is no major changes in the market, then there are no major news in the market that could bring abnormality in the movement of these currencies. So the market is behaving the same on weekly basis. So you can use this to trade. You can use this, even though I will not place a trade, you can use this to place a trade at this point. You place a sell. If at all you trust you place a sell at that point. You sell the markets, hoping that the market will still move towards the same direction. That is, the market will behave the same way it behaved last week. So here, this one will be a sell. So we place a sell there. Okay, is it simple? Yeah, simple. Easily said than done. Let me say that. Because, but if you check, it is simple. There is nothing magical that I have done. I've looked at the dates. Yeah, and that is when is Thursday, what, yeah. So 16th and 23. So you check that is 7 days. You check 2 days the behavior of the market during that time and the behavior of the market today. So that is why I have got this. Okay, and it is as simple as that. There is no magic. So I think we can move to another thing. That is the history. Just use history of week. Use weekly. It is more accurate than going to monthly, or now annually. No, it will not be cool to check. If you go to monthly, you will have to look at that is the December, the Feb of last year, how the market was moving, and that one we can go to 1 month time frame. We see the candle that was for Feb. Okay, the way it moved, you know. So that one will not be accurate, especially for the day traders, or to make your daily trades. So with this, I think we can move to another thing that is helpful. I'm crashing this market for you. I want you to get each and everything that is in this market, and I hope that this will benefit you. You will use these to trade. You will share these with your friends. You will advise the friends that you wrongly use history, and advise them according to what you can see. And again, ensure that you use the history. It is even advisable to use the previous day history that is based on hours. You say that yesterday the market at this hour moved up. What is happening today? You know, so you can use even in fact 4 hours. 4 hours time frame. To within 4 hours the market was going up within these hours. Today, what is happening? So the fewer the hours, the fewer the history, the shorter the history, the more accurate your strategy will be. So in this case, we have used the day, the weekly. So we checked whatever that was happening last week, a day like today on Thursday. So and we can see that the market is behaving the same. So ensure that you share this video, you subscribe, you comment, you like. Don't hate, like it. So that we can also improve and do other good videos that will be helpful for the upcoming forex traders, and also people who are struggling in forex to learn. I have some people who come to me. I've struggled for many years, for 5 years, and someone has never made a profit from the market. So they tell me to show them what to do. I think whatever that I'm doing will be very helpful to you. It is not a rocket science. This is not a rocket science. This is very, 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 very simple. As simple as you have seen. Okay? Yes, and we call it a quit. Please ensure that before we continue, ensure that before we continue, ensure that you you subscribe to Chris Mulwa YouTube. So ensure that you subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Okay, see you in the next lesson. I'm presenting something very interesting, about forex. So look, whatever that is coming next could be your game changer. So let's meet again in the next lesson. See you.